Here, isn't it?
Yeah, we already have snow in parts of the high country. It started last night in some of those southwestern mountains. So we have a first alert weather day starting later tonight, lasting through tomorrow, thanks to the snow and the gusty wind we're expecting. I want to start off, though. We have a snow squall warning down near Alamosa and La Jara and Manassa and Sanford. This is in place through 6:15 tonight. We're probably going to see many more of these as we will get bouts of heavy snowfall, and then we add in some really gusty wind. So the snow squall warning. This is the first one tonight, and we may see more of these overnight tonight and through tomorrow. So just be weather aware that there may be some really tough visibility out there. More to the north, we do have some snow, quite a bit of it starting to fill in a bit more from Steamboat all the way through, now getting closer or into Larimer and Boulder counties, and moving up a little bit from the southwest. We'll see the southwestern part of the state ease up and across Colorado as we head out to the eastern plains. There's also a little bit of rain out there too. Looking at our future cast now for the Denver area, it'll take a little while longer to head our way. Most likely after about 8-9 o'clock, we'll start to get in on the action, and we'll see that continue overnight tonight through for us. But by tomorrow morning, about 7-8, most of that's wrapped up for the Denver area. It's a quick burst for us, and then it shifts mainly out to the eastern plains where we have a blizzard warning in place. We are looking at very heavy snowfall out there, and then by tomorrow evening starts to break up, and then by midnight we see that blizzard warning expire. But we still expect to see snow in the mountain areas well through Wednesday afternoon, especially for those northern and central mountains. So it will be very tough go along many of our highways across the state. Northeastern Colorado, we have a blizzard warning from midnight tonight through midnight tomorrow night. We're expecting about 4 to 10 inches of snow, adding 60-mile-per-hour winds, and there is a good chance travel is impossible at times tomorrow, especially along I-76 and along I-70. So just be very weather aware. We are expecting to see a couple inches of snow along I-70, but you add in 50-mile-per-hour wind. Again, it's really tough out there. So we have these in place from 9 p.m. and for the Denver area through Tuesday at 3. But for the mountain areas, we're looking at about 6 to 12 inches of snow from tonight through Wednesday afternoon. So still a multi-day event for the eastern plains. But here in Denver, out toward Burlington, up towards Fort Collins, could see about 2 to 4 inches of snow. And there is potential. This storm is so dynamic and still changing where exactly that low is going to keep moving. So there's a chance maybe some areas just get a little dusting, and then some areas see a lot more than that, especially out on near the airport. There is a chance for quite a bit more out in that area because they are so close to where those blizzard conditions are setting up. So down in southwestern Colorado, we still have a winter storm warning in place through 11 o'clock tonight. Things are wrapping up, but in some of those northern mountains in parts of Jackson County there, we're looking at anywhere from 18 to 25 inches of snow. And again, that's from tonight through Wednesday night. So we still have a multi-day event for those northern mountains. Starting to cool off a bit, 38 in Denver. We did hit 54 today officially out at DIA. 50s still for parts of the eastern plains, 20s, 30s in the high country. 29 from our weather watcher Mike Segan, who lives in Avon, said the snow started about 30 minutes ago at his house. So the snow is certainly starting to fill in more. And temperatures tomorrow, 34, so a 20-degree drop from today to tomorrow. 33 in Denver, lots of 20s in northeastern Colorado where those blizzard conditions are, and then lots of teens and 20s in the high country. Your Super 7-day forecast tomorrow is our first alert weather day like we've been talking about. Wednesday will be the warmest day of the rest of the week at 37 with some wind out there continuing, and then 33 on Thursday for our toy drive if you're heading out for us. It'll be cold, but it'll be clear, so don't let that deter you. And then the weekend is a little chilly as well.
That's cold for this week. We'll get ready. All right, Lauren, thank you.
Oh, we're so excited.